Hello class. So this is our video number 3 with an illustration number 10. This is our illustration. As you can see, generalize the following transaction in the books of Mathur brothers. 1 2 3 4 5 5 transactions in a month, 2018 February. Started business contributing 50,000 in cash, 4,50,000 in check, and building valued rupees 20 lakh. Okay, and purchase goods from Manohar Lal of the list price rupees 50,000 for 46,000. 50 वाला गुड्स उन्होंने 46 में परचेज किया. इट मीन्स देर इज ए ट्रेड डिस्काउंट. Purchase goods costing rupees 1 lakh from Sahil and Company, paid 60% immediately by check to avail 5% discount. It means it is a cash discount. Sold goods to Kishore and Company of the list price of rupees 40,000 for 38,000, again trade discount. And sold to Kanika and Company goods costing rupees 1 lakh at 20% profit, allowing 10% trade discount and 5% cash discount. Kanika and Company made 40% payment immediately by check. Okay, so there is a good illustration, which is illustration number 10, and use the previous topic, involving the previous topic, which is related to the trade discount and cash discount. Now here I am going to solve this illustration. Open your book. First of all, I will make the lines. Heading: General entries. In the books of Mathur brothers. Okay. Date, particulars, laser folio, amount debit, amount credit. We are here with the example. Now you can see on your screen both. है ना? Okay. So first, started business contributing 50,000 in cash, check means bank, and building. So the entry will be 2018 Feb 1, cash account debit, bank account debit, building account debit to capital account, being business started. Okay, being business started. This is our first entry. When we start the business and start the business with any type of assets. All these assets will merge into the capital. Rupees 50,000 as cash, 4,50,000 as bank, and 20 lakh rupees as capital. Total 25 lakh rupees. Next, February 5, purchase goods from Manohar Lal of the list price of rupees 50,000 for 46,000. There is a trade discount. February 5, purchase goods on credit, purchase account debit to Manohar Lal. Purchase account debit to Manohar Lal by rupees 46,000, being goods purchase and trade discount of rupees 4,000 received. Okay. Next, purchase goods costing rupees 1 lakh from Sahil and Company paid 60% immediately by check to avail 5% discount. In case of cash discount, which amount we will pay? Only on that amount we will receive the discount. Okay. For example, there is a goods costing rupees 1 lakh, but we paid only 60%. Then we will receive discount on only on rupees 60,000 rupees. Okay. So there is both type of entry, both type of transaction, cash transaction and credit transaction as well. 60,000 cash transaction and for 40,000 credit transaction. February 17, purchase account debit to Sahil and Company to cash account and to discount account. This is a compound entry also. There are two entries for credit transaction because we purchase 1 lakh rupees goods on both cases, 60,000 rupees cash payment and 40,000 rupees credit basis. Total purchase 1 lakh. Okay. कैश पेमेंट हमने किया है यहाँ पर 60,000 and payment immediately by check. So when we paid money by check, then we will substitute the word cash by bank. Let me correct, it is bank. Okay. To bank account, 60% means 60,000. And after making payment of rupees 60,000, we will receive the discount of rupees 5%, which is 3,000. Hence, the remaining credit balance from Sahil which is rupees 37,000. Okay. Being goods purchased and 60% money paid. Okay. Now our next entry, देखो बेटे अब यहाँ पर हम we will make the total. We will make the total here and write here total CF, carry forward. Total 396, 3,96,000. And this total will be forward on this side. Next page, total BF brought forward 396,000. Okay. Now the next entry. Sold goods to Kishore and Company of the list price of rupees 40,000 for 38,000. Again, trade discount. One more line. Date year Feb 24. Kishore and Company account debit to sales account, being goods sold on trade discount. Amount will be 38,000. Okay. And the next master entry. This is very good entry. Listen carefully and watch carefully. Sold to Kanika and Company goods costing rupees 1 lakh at 20% profit. ध्यान दें बेटे, this is costing. Here we will write the working note. Working note means first cost of goods, which is rupees 1 lakh. Add profit 20% means 20,000. This will become the list price of goods, which is 1,20,000. Allowing 10% trade discount, again less trade discount. at 10%, which is 12,000, less an amount is 1,08,000. Now again, trade discount and 5% cash discount, and 5% cash discount available on the cash payment only, where Kanika and company made 40% payment immediately by check. Kanika and company made 40% payment immediately by check. So payment made by check at 40%. So we will calculate 40% on 1,08,000, and it will be 43,200, on which we will receive the discount. Sorry, we will pay the give the discount. Cash discount at 5%, 2160. This is the cash payment. Which is 41,040. Okay, cash payment made by check, and the credit sale at 60%. 60% of 1,08,000. $64,800. This is the credit sale. Now we will pass the entry on February 26. Kanika and company account debit bank account debit, discount account debit to sales account. For credit transaction, Kanika will become debit. For cash payment, bank will become debit. And because we are paying discount here, it will become our loss. So it will become debit as per the rule of nominal account. Debit all the expenses and losses. So in Kanika's account, 64,800. Bank account 41,040. In discount 2160, and total sales will be 1,08,000. After this we will pass the narration. Because of the lack of place, I am showing you the last line, which is the grand total, and we will make total here. $5,52,000, and here 5,42,000. Both sided will become equal. Okay, So this is our illustration number 10. Chapter 5. Okay, goodbye.